In the quiet moments after dusk, as the village settled into the gentle hum of nighttime, Algren and Katsumoto stood on a hill overlooking the tranquil landscape. Lanterns twinkled like fireflies, casting a warm glow on the rice paddies below. Katsumoto's face was etched with both serenity and a lingering weight of the future. For a while, neither spoke, letting the wind carry the whispers of the past. Katsumoto finally broke the silence. You have seen our way of life, Captain Algren. Do you believe it has a future in the new Japan? Algren, deep in contemplation, chose his words carefully. Your people have a strength that goes beyond the sword. It's in your honor, your loyalty, and your unyielding spirit. But the world is changing rapidly. Guns are replacing bows, and factories are replacing fields. The samurai way, though noble, may need to evolve if it is to survive. Katsumoto nodded, a shadow of resignation crossing his face. I have always believed in the way of the warrior. But perhaps, as you say, there is a place for us in this new world, even if we must change. Still, what would become of our traditions? Algren shifted, sensing the gravity of Katsumoto's internal struggle. Traditions are the heart of your people, but they don't have to be lost. They can be honored in new ways. The spirit of the samurai can live on in the integrity of the people, even in a modern world. Change is not the end, Katsumoto. It is merely a new beginning. Katsumoto stared out into the darkened horizon, mulling over Algren's words. Perhaps you are right. Perhaps we can be both guardians of the past and pioneers of the future. As they stood side by side, the first stars began to fill the sky. A silent understanding passed between them. The future of Japan would be uncertain, but it would be forged by those who could blend the wisdom of the past with the possibilities of tomorrow. In that moment, on that quiet hill, two men from vastly different worlds found common ground in their hopes for a nation on the brink of transformation.